Okay, testing, test out, guys. I am live. It's me, Marlon Bennett, guys, your original AI fly boy. Guys, I have a serious treat for you guys today. If there's something that you're doing, guys, that's going to distract you, make sure that you actually put your name and email inside of this form so that you can finish watching this training. You want this training and you want this software. Now, exclusively, originally I was going to just do this exclusively for all of my members inside of this platform. But what we're going to do, guys, is ultimately going to be seen everywhere. And it's going to be available to anybody, anywhere. But I want to talk specifically about you getting a little more bang for your buck inside of your traffic space bar, okay? So, guys, the way that we do it, and the way that I do it, is by using a piece of software called AiImageMagic, guys. And I can create all types of professional, take any photo and make it into a video in seconds. And I have some examples on the page, you guys. I implore you guys to go down and watch. And then I'm going to actually run through a real quick demo and show you guys exactly how this actual software works. So let's log in, guys. I'm going to log in and you'll see, guys, image after image after image after image, but not just image after image after image after image. Images I can bring to life, guys, and it all happens in 3 simple steps at the very top of your members area when you get inside. You're going to go create your video. You're going to be able to create 2 types of videos, one that we call One and one that we call Grok, and we'll walk you guys through setting it all up. But it's a 3 simple, pretty simple process. You create your image, you render the image, and then you render the video, guys. And get this, guys, you're able to use these images, right? This stuff to create all kinds of. You can create lead capture pages with them. You can create bridge pages. You can create full funnels. But get this, you can also create short YouTube videos for YouTube Shorts and places like TikTok, guys, directly to your domain name. So the possibilities of what you're able to do when you want to supercharge your video marketing or just get some diversification going inside of your business, guys, is to be able to use an actual software like AiImageMagic. Now, I took it another step further, guys, right? Because I don't want to just give you guys an opportunity to lock into this actual software. Here's what we're going to do, guys. I want you guys to go through the entire page. And then, if you should pick up AiImageMagic, listen to me, guys. I'm stumbling. You actually will get a page just like this, guys. And it'll be loaded or coded and loaded with your affiliate link, right? So that you can promote this actual groundbreaking software that's so simple to use, and you can earn commissions from promoting it too, using the same page that I'm on right now. Now, guys, I also threw in some other super bonuses that I think you guys are going to kick out of. And remember, because this page is going to be coded and loaded to you if you should join any of the affiliate offers within the actual funnel itself, this page, you guys can also join and have those affiliate links added inside of this page as well. So I'm super pumped. I'm super excited, guys. Let's get hot. Let's get moving. I'll see you guys on the other side.